Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. There's an enhanced risk for severe weather today that encompasses north central Oklahoma, much of Kansas, and west central Missouri. The cities in today's enhanced include Kansas City, Missouri, Wichita, Kansas, Overland Park, Kansas, Kansas City, Kansas, and Topeka, Kansas. There's a slate today that covers north central Texas, central, northwestern, and northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, much of Missouri, parts of Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, and southwestern Iowa. Cities in today's slate include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Omaha, Nebraska, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. Areas in the dark green are in a marginal risk for severe weather today in the dark green. Cities in today's marginal include New Orleans, Louisiana, St. Louis, Missouri, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Shreveport, Louisiana, and Des Moines, Iowa. Going to the tornado threat for today, there is a 5% chance of tornadoes today that encompasses north central Oklahoma, most of Kansas, northwestern Missouri, and far southeastern Nebraska. Cities in today's slate include Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, Overland Park, Kansas, and Kansas City, Kansas. Areas in the dark green are in a 2% chance of tornadoes today. Alright? Cities in the 2% tornado risk area today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Omaha, Nebraska, and Arlington, Texas. Now, there's a black dashed area here. The black dashed area is level 1 of 3 on the tornado intensity index. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for tornadoes of EF1 rating or stronger today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for EF1 tornadoes or stronger today within the black dashed area. Alright? I'm not saying there can't be EF1 or higher outside the black dashed area. It's just the highest potential for the EF1 tornadoes or stronger will be within the black dashed area. Alright? The black dashed area again. Highest potential for EF1 or stronger. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area. Are more likely EF zeros. More likely EF zeros outside the black dashed area. But again, there could be an EF1 even outside the black dashed area. But again, the highest potential for the EF1 tornadoes or stronger will be within the black dashed area. Cities in the black dashed area today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Arlington, Texas. Going to the wind for today, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today that encompasses eastern Kansas and west central Missouri. The 30% wind risk area today includes Kansas City, Missouri, Wichita, Kansas, Overland Park, Kansas, Kansas City, Kansas, and Topeka, Kansas. Alright? There is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, covering northern Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, central, northwestern, and southwestern Missouri, parts of Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, and southwestern Iowa. The 15% wind risk area today includes Omaha, Nebraska, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Lincoln, Nebraska, Springfield, Missouri, and Columbia, Missouri. Areas in the brown are in a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today within the brown area. Cities in the 5% wind risk area today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, New Orleans, Louisiana, and Arlington, Texas. And now for the hail threat for today, there is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering north central Oklahoma, much of Kansas, and west central Missouri. The 30% hail risk area, really? The 30% hail risk area today includes Kansas City, Missouri, Wichita, Kansas, Overland Park, Kansas, Kansas City, Kansas, and Topeka, Kansas. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering north central Texas, parts of Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, western Missouri, central and far southeastern Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, and southwestern Iowa. The 15% hail risk area today includes Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Omaha, Nebraska, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. Areas in the brown are on a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today than the brown areas, okay? Hitting the 5% hail risk area today includes New Orleans, Louisiana, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, Shreveport, Louisiana, Des Moines, Iowa, and Metairie, Louisiana, or however you pronounce it. Now, if you look at the black dashed area is level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index. Alright? The black dash is level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger today within the black dashed area. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly looking at hail of 1 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter. Okay? Areas outside the black dashed area, again, mainly 1 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter. Alright? Maybe go slightly higher to 2 inches outside the black dashed area, but again, the highest potential for the 2-inch hail or larger will be within the black dashed area itself. Alright? Again, areas outside the black dashed area still could see 1 inch to 1.5 inches in diameter hail. Okay? And that's damaging enough. The 2-inch hail or larger is more destructive. So, anyway, hitting the black dashed area today include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, and Omaha, Nebraska. So, yeah. In summary, scattered severe thunderstorms with large to very, very hail. I'm taking a typo here. It should say very large hail. Very large hail. Damaging winds and tornadoes are expected this afternoon through tonight across parts of the southern and central plains. A couple of strong tornadoes and hailstones up to 2 to 3 inches in diameter are possible. So, that's your day 1 severe weather outlook. I don't know why it's showing this again. This is from yesterday. But anyway, stay safe in the affected areas today, no matter what risk you're in. Alright? Stay safe in the affected areas today and tonight, no matter what risk you're in. Alright? Make sure you have a way to be notified for severe weather today and tonight, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone. Have that plan especially for tonight, so you don't sleep through those storms. Alright? You know, because they could be damaging. So, and I would suggest sleeping in your safe spot tonight to avoid having to move during the night, and have that safe spot be on the lowest level of your home. All right. So yeah, stay safe in the affected areas today and tonight, no matter what risk you're in, and I will see you in the day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.